This 2018 Keystone Passport BH3320 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Keystone is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 11, DVD player, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, awning, auxiliary battery, slideout, spare tire kit, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Passport BH3320 is 6,586 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.